Welcome to DIY Charm Studio. Today, we're diving into the top master bedroom design ideas for 2025. Whether you're planning a complete makeover or seeking inspiration to refresh your space, these trends will help you create a serene and stylish retreat. 1. Embrace biophilic design. Bringing nature indoors is a key trend in 2025. Biophilic design focuses on creating a connection with the natural world, enhancing well-being and tranquility. Incorporate elements like indoor plants. Add greenery with plants such as snake plants, pothoes, or fiddle leaf figs to purify the air and add a touch of nature. Natural materials. Use wood, stone, and natural fibers in furniture and decor to create a warm, organic feel. Maximize natural light. Utilize large windows and sheer curtains to allow ample sunlight, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. 2. Sustainable and eco-friendly choices. Sustainability continues to be a significant focus in 2025. Opt for eco-friendly materials and practices to create a healthier environment. Reclaimed wood furniture. Choose pieces made from reclaimed or recycled wood for a rustic yet modern look. Organic textiles. Select bedding and curtains made from organic cotton, bamboo, or hemp for a soft and sustainable touch. Low VOC paints. Use low or zero VOC paints to reduce harmful emissions and improve indoor air quality. 3. Smart bedroom technology. Integrating technology seamlessly into your bedroom enhances comfort and convenience. Smart lighting. Install lighting systems that adjust brightness and color temperature based on the time of day or your mood. Automated climate control. Use smart thermostats to maintain the perfect sleeping temperature year-round. Voice control devices. Incorporate voice assistants to control lighting, music, and other smart devices hands-free. 4. Statement headboards and accent walls. Make your bed the focal point with bold headboards and accent walls. Oversized upholstered headboards. Choose luxurious fabrics like velvet or leather for a dramatic effect. Unique shapes. Opt for arched or scalloped designs to add architectural interest. Textured accent walls. Use materials like wood paneling, wallpaper, or decorative moldings to create depth and character. 5. Minimalist and clutter-free aesthetic. A minimalist approach promotes relaxation and clarity. Neutral color palettes. Stick to whites, beiges, and soft grays to create a calming environment. Simple furniture. Choose pieces with clean lines and functional designs. Hidden storage. Utilize underbed storage and built-in wardrobes to keep the space tidy. 6. Luxurious textures and layering. Add depth and comfort through layered textures. Plush bedding. Combine high thread count sheets with cozy throws and decorative pillows. Area rugs. Place soft rugs underfoot to add warmth and define the space. Curtains and drapes. Use layered window treatments to control light and add elegance. 7. Personalized and custom elements. Make your bedroom uniquely yours. Custom furniture. Invest in pieces tailored to your space and needs. Personal art. Display artwork or photographs that reflect your personality and experiences. Monogrammed accessories. Add a personal touch with customized bedding or decor items. 8. Multifunctional spaces. Adapt your bedroom to serve multiple purposes. Work nooks. Create a small office area with a desk and ergonomic chair. Reading corners. Add a comfortable chair and good lighting for a cozy reading spot. Exercise areas. Incorporate space for yoga or workouts to promote wellness. 9. Romantic pastel tones. Soft colors evoke a sense of calm and romance. Color choices. Use shades like powder pink, lavender, and soft green on walls and textiles. Complementary accents. Pair pastels with neutral tones for a balanced look. Subtle patterns. Incorporate gentle patterns to add interest without overwhelming the space. 10. Artistic wall decor. Enhance your walls with creative touches. Gallery walls. Arrange a collection of art pieces or photographs for visual interest. Wall sculptures. Add dimension with three-dimensional art installations. Murals and wallpapers. Use large-scale designs to make a bold statement. 11. Cozy lighting ambience. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood of your master bedroom. In 2025, lighting design goes beyond functionality and becomes an integral part of the decor. Layered lighting combine ambient, task, and accent lighting to create depth and flexibility. Overhead lights, bedside lamps, and LED strips work in harmony to suit different moods and activities. Statement light fixtures. Introduce chandeliers or designer pendant lights as focal points above the bed or seating area. Dimmable controls. Install dimmers or smart bulbs to adjust brightness levels throughout the day and evening, fostering a more relaxed atmosphere. 12. Calming color schemes. Color has the power to influence emotions, and in 2025, calming and grounded tones are dominating master bedroom palettes. Earthy hues, think clay, terracotta, olive green, and sand, shades that connect the indoors with nature. Soft neutrals, off-whites, taupes, and stone greys create a sophisticated and tranquil base. Accent pops. Introduce muted blues, forest greens, or burnt oranges through accessories to energize without overpowering. 13. Textured wall treatments. Plain painted walls are giving way to rich, textured treatments that add tactile interest and depth to your space. Wood slats and panels. Vertical or horizontal wood paneling creates a refined and natural backdrop. Lime wash finishes. A subtle, cloudy effect adds a handmade touch and softens the look of plain walls. Fabric-covered walls. Upholstered wall panels in linen, suede, or velvet offer both sound absorption and a luxurious feel. 14. Statement ceilings. Ceilings are no longer an afterthought. In 2025, they're a canvas for creativity. Painted ceilings. Use bold or contrasting colors to draw the eye upward. Ceiling wallpaper. Add pattern and personality with wallpapers that feature botanical or geometric motifs. Architectural details. Exposed beams, Corford patterns, or ceiling medallions give character and depth to the upper plane. 15. Zen and Japandi influences. Blending Japanese minimalism with Scandinavian warmth, the Japandi style is perfect for creating a peaceful master bedroom. Low furniture, platform beds and floor-hugging pieces emphasize groundedness. Natural tones and textures. Bamboo, linen, and oak are commonly used, alongside neutral color palettes. Clutter-free philosophy. Everything has its place. Storage is concealed and surfaces are kept clear to promote calm. 16. Artistic bed canopies and frames. Beds take center stage with artistic designs and elaborate framing. Canopies. Whether minimalist or draped in flowing fabric, a canopy adds instant elegance. Four-poster beds. Modern designs with clean lines update this classic style for contemporary settings. Custom headboards. Artistic or sculptural headboards become an expression of personality and creativity. 17. Mix of modern and vintage. The most striking master bedrooms in 2025 mix old with new for a curated and timeless aesthetic. Vintage finds. Introduce antique mirrors, heirloom chests, or reclaimed furniture for character. Modern finishes. Balance with sleek lighting, minimalist chairs, or abstract art for contrast. Layered decor. Blend eras thoughtfully with textiles, frames, and accessories that bridge the gap between old and new. 18. Integrated wardrobes and walk-in closets. Storage solutions evolve into sleek, integrated systems that add luxury and order. Built-in units. Custom cabinetry in finishes that match the room's palette create a seamless look. Open concept closets. Glass doors or open shelves display wardrobe pieces like an art gallery. Lighting integration. Interior closet lighting not only improves visibility but adds ambience. 19. Personalized relaxation zones. Master bedrooms are expanding their function, becoming places for personal rituals and rest beyond sleeping. Meditation corners. A floor cushion, calming art, and incense or essential oils can create a mindfulness space. Mini libraries. Include a shelf or two of favorite books, paired with a reading light and comfortable seating. Tea or coffee stations. A small bar cart or built-in nook with essentials for morning or evening beverages enhances comfort. 20. Emphasis on acoustics. As our bedrooms become sanctuaries from external stress, acoustic comfort gains importance. Soundproofing panels. Discreetly installed panels or decorative acoustic art reduce noise pollution. Thick drapes and rugs. Heavy fabrics naturally absorb sound while adding texture. Solid doors and windows. Investing in well-insulated doors and double-glazed windows keeps your retreat quiet and serene. 21. Gender-neutral aesthetics. Designs are increasingly moving away from traditional gender-specific styles toward balanced, inclusive aesthetics. Balanced color schemes. Pair cool tones with warm accents for a universally appealing palette. Functional layouts. Design with the needs of all users in mind. Ample lighting, comfortable zones, and practical storage. Neutral furniture shapes. Rounded edges and soft materials create comfort without skewing toward any one design tradition. 22. Global inspirations. Incorporate design elements from around the world for a culturally rich and eclectic feel. Moroccan textiles. Use hand-woven throws, Berber rugs, and intricate pillows. Scandinavian simplicity. Add light wood, white linens, and natural textures. Asian serenity. Opt for shoji screens, bonsai plants, and Zen-inspired layouts. 23. Artisanal details and handmade pieces. Handcrafted decor makes your bedroom feel unique and filled with soul. Ceramic lamps. Glazed pottery bases with fabric shades add a warm glow. Woven baskets. Perfect for storage, these add texture and authenticity. Custom artwork. Commission pieces or DIY your own wall art to tell your story. 24. Wellness-focused design. Your bedroom should support both physical and mental health. Air purifiers and humidifiers. Discrete machines improve air quality and sleep. Non-toxic materials. Choose products free of harmful chemicals. Supportive bedding. Invest in ergonomic mattresses and pillows for better rest and posture. 25. Seasonal design swaps. Rather than a static design, 2025 encourages seasonal decor changes to reflect the time of year. Winter. Layer in faux fur, rich colors, and ambient lighting. Spring. Add floral prints, pastel tones, and fresh flowers. Summer. Embrace linen bedding, breezy curtains, and tropical accents. Fall. Introduce earthy tones, knitted throws, and scented candles. Final thoughts. Your master bedroom in 2025 is more than a place to sleep. It's your personal sanctuary, creative space, and wellness zone. From smart technology and sustainable choices to artistic flair and serene colors, the best bedroom designs reflect who you are and how you live. Use these ideas to curate a space that supports your lifestyle, calms your mind, and brings joy every day. Thanks for joining us for these master bedroom design insights. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other home design videos for even more inspiration.